I'd like to let you know how happy we are with iBathrooms.
I want to share with you the wonderful experience I had with iBathrooms.
They did absolutely an outstanding job.
We're very happy with the finished product.
It didn't take time for them to respond, which was really nice.
And my husband and I are absolutely thrilled with the results.
They took my bathroom and made it even better.
They went way beyond my expectations.
We're so happy with the team that was sent to our home.
Amazing workers, they're timely, polite.
Yuri and his team were very professional.
With their incredible craftsmanship,
timely communication,
fast service, the attention to detail.
Yuri was great with his assessments.
They quoted us a price and we came in right on budget.
They involved us in all of the design decisions.
Every step of the way, they advised me on what is best for me.
Gave us good suggestions how to make the bathroom bigger.
I strongly recommend iBathrooms for their exceptional work and professionalism.
Highly recommend them.
We highly recommend iBathrooms.
Thank you, iBathrooms.